Hello, dear viewers. On the last day of the year, I'd like to express my gratitude towards all my viewers, all my students, for whom Aisha's Academy could reach to a certain level. I try to present you with different content like motivational stories, debates, activities on Diwali, etc. Once again, on this day, I'm trying to present a collage of all my students who are going to share how the year was for them. So wait and watch till the end.
Hi everybody, I am Saloni from Aisha's Academy. In the year 2021, there were many ups and downs come in my life. Not even my life, everyone's life because of corona. I met new people and make new friends. I had tried many things. I learned English in 2021. Difficulties and problems come in my life, but still I face the difficulties and move on. I want to give one message for everyone. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning how to dance in the rain. Thank you very much. I want to say focus on your work.
Hello, I am Rohini from Pune. If I talk about the 2021, it was really very good, full of joy, with a new experience of life. 2021 was blessed me with good health and connect me with new things. A journey about my business in 2021, it was really very excited with new challenges every day. I would like to mention the big thing happen in 2021 is to got a family like Aisha's Academy, where I can say that this family makes me fearless about the English. I got a confidence to deliver my thought in English, which was impossible for me before. Thank you.
Dear friends and Aishama, we are in the verge of sending goodbye to 2021. This year was totally different from any of the years in the past. As we know, 2021 commences with new aspiration than 2020. I have planned Odissi to sacred places in India and tourist places in US during 2021. But due to pandemic situation, we forced to drop all exploration. Even though we dropped some plan, I got enthusiastic Firebird mentor Aisha Ma'am to accomplish my aspiration to learn English. I started my journey with Ma'am since February 2021 and I learned a lot. I also got good friends during this journey. This is a great achievement to me during this year. So I am proud of it. This year, my daughter graduated MBBS and my son got a good job as per his wish. In my profession also, I got good support from my team. I got chances to attend yoga classes. This is also a feather in my shop. Thank you all.
A very warm greetings to Asha's Academy and my beloved ma'am. I'm really, uh, I'm really very happy to say that I'm a product of Asha's Academy. Since 1 year has completed for me in Asha's Academy, I groomed very well. I improved my confidence as well as the boldness, the cheerness, and become more patient in my life. So, take communication in the sense means more than English communication. Lots of things I've learned from Asha's Academy. So lots of vocabs, idioms, phrases, many more. So I'm really happy to say about that. Okay, get into the topic. So this year is really it's a twisting year for me. I can say I learned a lot from this year. We are in the end of this 2021. Since lot of people we are lost in and here and there, thin and thick and blood relations also. Thank God that we are all here. Still now we are serving and we are going to work to see the 2022 also. What I want to say is, hereafter, what will happen? We humans are creating lots of technology, and this year 21 and going to become 22 is with natural calamities is going to fight with this. So technology and natural calamities about are going to distract our life. So we are humans. We only invented these skins. We are the most cause for this kind of problems. So anyhow, we are here to celebrate 2022. That is, we all people join together and put our positive ways to this year. Let wish him the birthday of 2022. The year become prosperous, and it also shows this positive ways to us, so that the year will be an amazing year for each and everybody, and a prosperous is for us. So who all want to succeed in life, they will succeed. Who want to prosper in life, they will be prosperous. So let them wish this year 2022, the age of 2022, this 2000th century, going to be a fabulous and amazing year for each and everybody. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Once again, I am really was very much privileged to be a part of Asha's Academy. Happy New Year, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and healthy. We are in the intermediate position when just after one day we have to say goodbye to our old year 2021 and new upcoming year to say most welcome 2022. We all know that time flies. Actually, it is not a static thing. That's why our life itself is a vicious circle of good and bad things. This year, 2021, like every year, I have started with so many dreams, so many goals, so many positive thinkings, and everything. Although this year gave me a lot of hardness, obstacles, problems, and many negative things in my life. But apart from all of these negative things, this year gave me many positive things also. I can't deny it. The most important thing is that this year gave me the opportunity so that I can go to USA and can spend some quality time with my husband there. This year gave me the opportunity to feel the essence, the beauty of one of the greatest smart cities of the world, that is New York. This year gave me the best opportunity so that I can feel the essence and the charm of the Niagara waterfall. So obviously this is a great year, it is a very precious year for me. Apart from all of this year gave me the opportunity that I can spend my greatest festival, that is the Durga Puja festival in abroad. So all of these things are, I think, achievements for this year. And the credential, yes, this year gave me the best thing in my life, because only this year I have started to reveal my talents, my creativity, my thinking through the YouTube channel, so that I can express myself in front of you all. So obviously I believe that it is the greatest credential which was given me as a gift by this year. So at last I can say that many achievements and many credentials this year gave me that I can add as a feather in my cap.
Good evening, everyone. This is N. Vandana. Right now, I'm making this video from Gurgaon. This 2021, which is just passed by, almost a single day left. This year was very fruitful, or I must say, splendid for me. I have achieved a lot. Especially, I have done numerology course. I'm a certified numerologist now. I'm NLP coach. I gained certificate in NLP also, and I conducted some webinars, and I have given some classes too. And during this year, actually, I have done a lot of courses, which are just you can say piled up, or still they are on the in the run. And fortunately, I just met with Aisha ma'am, and I have just joined Aisha's ma'am's class. I have joined for the advanced one. It's been only 2 months, and I'm practicing and looking forward to continue this journey in 2022. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. As we know that New Year gives chance to show our gratitude to all our near and dear ones who have done lots for you, and New Year gives fresh opportunity to start over and make resolution to achieve all your goals. So let's find confidence in ourselves and create possibility to all that you have always dreamed of. I am very fortunate to being a part of the ISAS Academy. Through this, I build my confidence as well as my personality. So, on this New Year Eve, I would like to wish that ISS Academy touch the pinnacle of success, and I wish the same for all the group members. I hope this New Year also blissful for me for getting a suitable job. So, hope for the best. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.
I am Preeti Srivastava and I am a student of Asha Academy Group and I belong to UP. As the year 2021 is being at the end, I want to share my some experience with this year. In the starting of the year, I had made some plan, but honestly, I want to say that it was not fully completed. But I have taken the bull by its horns. In my life, there are some happy moments and some bad moments in the in this year, but I want to memorize good moments and want to leave bad moments. And here I want to share the things that I have got it. First one is I want to join an English classes for my improving my skilling and speaking. I did. Second one, I wanted to join my child in a good school for his better education. I did. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jannat. I'm a student of Asha Academy. Today I don't have any special thing to say about this year or next year, but I want to say don't be afraid to failure, but learn. You know, struggle and practice make a perfect woman and man. So believe in yourself, and I hope next year turn out to be the best year of your life. So happy New Year to all. Thank you.
Hello, I am Shanu Kumar. I would like to tell my old year with my friends with small words. Couldn't do anything special in 2021 because the corona epidemic was going on. The hope which we wanted to make in 2021 it didn't happen, but in 2022 my resolution is I want to settle somewhere and I want to get a job in a good company and help family financially. I want to be a successful person in this year and I want to fulfill my dreams.
Now let's see what the students have to say about the year 2022.
New Year means lots of toys, lots of games, lots of dance. Happy New Year 2022.
Hi everyone, I'm a student of Aisha's Academy. First of all, Happy New Year to all. Everyone take a resolution for New Year. I'm also thinking about it, but when I'm thinking, is one resolution is enough for whole year? This is not enough. That's why I decided to take a resolution every day. Currently, my resolution is speak English fluently. And I also give one message for everyone. When life puts you in tough situation, don't say why me? Say, try me. Again, Happy New Year to all. Thank you very much Be smile.
Hello, Aishama. Dear friends, every new year commences with a lot of positivity, new hopes, and beautiful wishes. It is obvious that every old year is replaced by coming new year. I hope I can fulfill the unaccomplished plans of last year. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, there is quite a bit of uncertainty about the future. So, setting a goal for big travel plans still be a bit out of the reach at this point. I am praying God to give good health and happy moments to all my kids and kin and dear friends and to my mom. My new year resolution is be happy always in the autumn years of my life without disturbing others and have a heart of God and help the society as I can. I hope I can continue our journey with mom with full steam ahead. Cross the fingers to all. Thank you.
Good evening again. So, yes, 2022 is here, only a day left. It's already new door is ready, new pace is ready, and my all the file is also ready. A lot of work to do. Uh, I'm looking forward for my career. I'm established one now, and I will work on that too. And I'm a motivational speaker, so I'm working on that. Maybe in 2022 I will be able to speak on the with the crowd, to I can just address to a crowd, which will be my great achievement. And I'm looking for a vastu course also, so hopefully my fingers are crossed for my future. And yes, a lot of stuff is also in my mind. Let's see how this will go. I'm very much positive for this year. This year will bring me a hope, joy, and especially my career. um, Once again, I am looking for the advanced classes. So yes, this journey will also go on, maybe for 4 months or 5 months, because I have seen my growth also. So according to that, I can just mention it. Though I don't know, the journey never ends. It is just started. So good luck to everyone. Good luck to me too. Let's meet in 2022. Thank you.